Hello, I'm Dr Karen Treisman, clinical psychologist, author and trainer, just sharing a few different relaxation tools and techniques with you because different ones work for different people and at different times, so it's good to have a bit of a selection. What I'm going to be talking to you about is two different options, but one is called left-right breathing, and it can be a really calming thing to do for some people. So I'm just going to talk you through it first, and then I'm going to give you a bit of demonstration, holding in mind that I am sitting down and it's tricky to get a sense without trying it out. But in essence, what we're going to try and do is really anchor ourselves, really be mindful of where we are, of standing tall, of where our spine is. And then we're going to take a really deep breath in, and we're going to release that air all the way to our left side of our body, filling our left side of our body. Some people might want to imagine just the air filling their body. Some might like to do a colour or colours or shapes. Other people, it might want to be certain good feelings or thoughts, whatever way you want to do that. And in essence, you breathe in and you travel up your spine, and then you go out to the left. And we're going to do that 2 times. You could do it more than that. And then we're going to come back in, and we're going to breathe again in through our spine and out, filling our right side of our body. And again, we're going to do that twice. And then after that, we're going to go up through our spine, and we're going to imagine the air or the thoughts or the colours, however you're doing it, going all the way up and filling in a circle from our left to our right side of our body, and then our right to our left side of our body. So we're going to do to the left, to the right, and our whole body. As I said, some people want to do this with their eyes open or closed. Some people want to do this once. Some people want to do it 5 times. It doesn't matter. So it's really just to give a sense. So if you imagine, I'm going to really be mindful of my spine and where I am and be really grounded. And then I'm going to take a deep breath, and I'm actually going to breathe in through my nose and out through my mouth. And as I go in through my nose, I'm going to imagine the breath and the colour travelling up from the base of my spine all the way to the top. So I'm going to breathe in. And then I'm going to breathe out, really filling the whole left of my body. And I'm going to bring my attention back into the middle, and I'm going to do exactly the same again. I'm going to breathe in, travelling all the way up my spine, and then when I'm ready, filling my whole left of my body. And you might find your left side of your body feels a bit heavier, or you feel a bit lopsided or tingly. And now we're going to pay attention to our other side. So we're going to bring our focus back, and I'm going to breathe in all the way up my spine and release out to my right hand side. So on the count of 3, 1, 2, 3, in, and then I'm going to release out to the right of my body. And for me, I'm imagining blue and green and just that air really filling and touching gently all of those parts of my right body. And I'm going to do that again on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Out, filling my right of my body. I'm just going to do it carefully, that I don't feel dizzy, and that it's really helpful and calming and at my own pace. And this time now, I'm going to breathe again, refocus to my spine, bring it all the way up, and I'm going to fill from the left to the right, really my whole body, filling both sides of my body in a very circular motion and really feeling it all. So on the count of 3, I'm going to breathe in. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to go out in a circle, filling my whole body left to right. Some people might actually like to trace their bodies or gently touch it, whatever you prefer. I'm now going to do exactly the same, but this time from the right to the left. So I'm breathing in from the base of my spine all the way up, really filling my lungs, and I'm going to release through my mouth from the right to the left. And I'm just going to be mindful of my whole body being full, and just allowing myself, if you close your eyes, to come back into the room and to just feel that whole body being connected and integrated. Hope that's given you a bit of a brain break and a mindful moment, and look forward to hearing how you think. Thank you.